You guys will never believe what just happened. We paid this influencer over $1,000. We don't usually do that, but we really felt like she hit the brand message, right? So she takes, first of all, over a month to post the video. And when she posts it, she uses our competitor's name instead of our name. So like she tags us, but then everything else, she's calling our product our competitor's name. Like, I don't even know what to do right now. We're gonna message her, see if she can, first of all, delete the video. Like, what are you doing? And second of all, if she can redo it. If not, we're gonna request a refund. Like, you were not listening. We did learn a lot from it. First of all, always request the video or their script beforehand so you don't figure out what they're posting after they already posted it. And two, their caption, also have them send that over so you can read over their code and make sure that everything is exactly how you want it to. And if you don't do that, who knows, you might pay someone to give your competitor some advertising.